If your HVAC evaporator coil is showing serious corrosion after 25 years, it's probably time to think about replacing it to avoid bigger headaches down the line. So, you bought your house over a decade ago and have been doing some basic upkeep yourself, which is smart. But when the coil starts looking all rusty and worn out like that, it's not just about looks. It can seriously mess with your system's efficiency and air quality. First, keep an eye on any weird smells or if your AC isn't cooling like it used to. That's a red flag. Try cleaning the coil gently with a no-rinse coil cleaner to slow down corrosion a bit, but don't expect miracles if it's already bad. Also, make sure your air filters are changed regularly because dirty filters can speed up coil problems. If you notice your energy bills creeping up without a usage change, that's another sign the coil might be struggling. You can open that little window to check the coil yourself, just like you did. But if corrosion is heavy, calling in a pro for a thorough inspection is a good move. Lastly, don't wait until the system breaks down in the middle of summer. Planning ahead for replacement or repair saves you from sweaty emergencies. One of the biggest mistakes with HVAC evaporator coils is ignoring corrosion and hoping it will go away. This only leads to leaks and poor cooling performance. Fix it by scheduling regular professional inspections, even if you're doing maintenance yourself. Another common issue is not changing air filters often enough, which clogs the coil and causes freezing or damage. Swapping filters every 1 to 3 months keeps air flowing right. Lastly, people sometimes delay replacing coils thinking it's expensive, but when corrosion is bad, waiting can cost way more in energy bills and repairs. Budgeting for replacement before a full failure is smarter and less stressful. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot to find trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC repairs or replacements. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable pros, making the whole process way less of a hassle.